Hey everyone! Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to take a pair of pants or shorts and make them into maternity pants. If you haven't seen my videos in a while, or if you're new here, I am pregnant, so I've been trying not to completely overrun my channel with baby/pregnancy related videos, but it's inevitable because I do projects that kind of relate to me and my life, I guess. So yeah, so today it's maternity pants. A plus side of making your own maternity pants is that you can keep the pockets. And a lot of them, they sew the pockets shut, which kind of sucks, and it's like, what the heck? I need pockets. So yeah, and the ones that I'm making today, the pockets are fully functional. So let's get started. The list of materials, tools, along with affiliate links will be down below. These are the type of maternity pants that I'm going for. The ones with the stretchy side panels. These are ones that I got from Target. The downside of these is that the front pockets are useless, so my goal is to make some that still have functional front pockets. To show you guys how to do this, I'm using these light wash shorts that I thrifted. Make sure that you're using pants or shorts that you fit into pre-pregnancy. You want them to fit on your thighs and your butt and everything, but since you have a baby bump, they won't be able to close. In the front pocket areas, cut out a rectangle that's about 5 to 5.5 inches deep, and then however wide you'd like. If you want them to not stretch too much, then don't cut them so wide. And if you want them to have more give, then cut them wider. Just make sure to keep some around the edges for seam allowance. You'll want to give yourself about 1/4 to 1/2 inch of seam allowance. And here is where I use my pliers. I had to remove the rivets because they were in the way of where I wanted to cut. If you cut strategically, you can just cut around this little pocket, but I was being stubborn and I wanted to cut exactly on this spot, so I had to remove the rivets first. I used pliers, and I also had to sand down the little raised part of the rivet so that I could, take the pieces apart. Now, cut 2 pieces of elastic to size, making sure the stretchiness is oriented the correct way. I'm using black elastic because, well, it's the only kind that I could find that was as tall as I needed. But since I am using light wash jeans, the elastic panels are going to stand out quite a bit, but whatever. Ideally, you'd get elastic that would more closely match your jean color, but sometimes you just gotta use what you can get. Pin the elastic to the jeans, right sides touching, lining up the top of the elastic to the top of the waistband of your jeans. And then sew. I just did a straight stitch all the way around because you only need stretch going sideways and not up and down. If you wanted, you could do a zigzag stitch along the bottom to give it a little bit more stretch here, but depending on your jean fabric, it may not even have any give anyway, so it might just be pointless to do that. You shouldn't really need it to stretch that low anyway. I went back and did one more stitch right next to the one that I just did, just to reinforce everything, and then once all the elastic is sewn in place, you're all done. Here they are before, and here they are after. Usable pockets and all. And I have a lot of extra elastic left over for any other pants I decide to alter. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please leave a like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, all of that good stuff. Here is a project that was uploaded onto the hashtag #CheslinDIY. Upload your projects on Instagram and or Twitter, and you might have a little feature here as well. I love seeing what you guys do, so make sure to share your projects there. If you want to follow me on any of my social media, the links to those will be down below. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please leave a comment down below, and I'll see you next week. Thank you so much to my patrons for helping me produce this video. If you like my videos and have learned something from them, please consider supporting me on Patreon to help me continue to make them. It's totally optional. I'll still be making videos either way. It just helps me be able to put out better stuff. A link will be down below, or you can just click up here in the corner.